This video covers features specific to the Logic Pro script for Launch Control XL3. The Logic script can be installed using the script installer for Logic 11 and later. GarageBand can also use the same script. It is available to download from downloads.novationmusic.com. In DAW control mode, the top two rows of encoders provide controls for the selected plugin using Logic's smart controls. If the plugin has more than 16 Logic smart controls, they can be banked through using the page buttons. Pressing page down further enters EQ mode. The screen displays EQ, and a Logic EQ plugin is added to the track if it doesn't already have one. The 8 encoders are arranged into 4 pairs to control the frequency and gain of 4 bands of the EQ. 1 and 2 control band 2, the low shelf. 3 and 4 control band 4, low mid. 5 and 6, band 6, high mid. And 7 and 8, band 7, the high shelf. The bottom row of encoders provides the following transport controls for Logic. Playback position moves the playback position. Zoom horizontal zooms horizontally relative to the playback position. Cycle start sets the start point for cycling. Cycle end sets the end point for cycling. Add cycle active activates or deactivates the cycle. Marker select navigates between markers. 7 is not used, and tempo adjusts the tempo for the Logic project. Launch Control XL3's record and play buttons mimic the behaviour of the equivalent Logic software buttons. By default, record starts recording and the transport. Play starts the transport and stops both recording and the transport. Holding Shift and play returns the playhead to the start of the project.